Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the MAXLANDER Cordless Tiller Cultivator, a powerhouse in the world of battery-powered garden tools.
If you're looking to upgrade your gardening arsenal, this might just be the perfect fit for you.
The MAXLANDER Cordless Tiller Cultivator stands out as one of the best battery-powered rototillers available. Priced at $219.99, it combines efficiency with convenience, making it a popular choice among gardening enthusiasts.
Let's talk about what makes this tiller special.
Firstly, it's equipped with a brushless motor, which not only provides more power but also ensures durability.
This means you can tackle even the toughest soil conditions without a hitch.
Powered by two 4.0Ah batteries and a fast charger, the MAXLANDER gives you extended working time.
No more being tethered by cords. You can cultivate your garden anywhere, anytime. The design is ergonomic and practical.
It features 4 sturdy steel tines, capable of cultivating up to 12 inches wide and 8 inches deep.
The folding handle makes storage a breeze, perfect for those with limited space.
Safety is a top priority with the MAXLANDER.
It includes a double start button system to prevent accidental starts, along with overload protection. These features ensure you can work confidently without worrying about mishaps. Let's see how it performs in action.
Whether you're preparing flower beds, aerating the soil, or mixing compost, the MAXLANDER handles it all efficiently. Its 280 RPM motor digs deep, turning hard soil into a gardener's dream. Now, how does it stack up against competitors like the Sun Joe TJ603E?
While the Sun Joe offers similar features,
the MAXLANDER's brushless motor and dual battery setup give it an edge in power and runtime. To wrap it up, the MAXLANDER Cordless Tiller Cultivator is a standout choice for those seeking a reliable, high-performance garden tool. From its powerful motor to its thoughtful design features, it's clear why this tiller is a favorite among gardeners.
If you're ready to take your gardening to the next level, consider adding the MAXLANDER to your toolkit. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy gardening!